Well, hey guys, I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm just out in the studio with a few of my marbles. I thought I would take a little quick video here. I was really liking the ones that I made last week. All of these will be available on my website if anybody's interested in grabbing one. I'm really liking that opal in there. I'll go next one here. A nice little vortex I made the other day. So I will leave the link in the description if anybody's interested in these. And I'm going to try to bring you a demo on how I make these little vortex flowers here. See if I can get one of those demos up soon. I really like them. They're very fun to make. Ooh, look at that opal. I like that. See if I can get some flash on here for you so you can look down in there. Oh yeah, there we go. I got a little opal on the back too. Alright guys, I super appreciate you. If you want to smash that like button, it super helps out the channel. And I just wanted to bring you a quick little video here of these really cool marbles I've been making last week. Like I say, it's just super cool. Alright guys, later on.